Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. Today is the 20th day of February. The market cap up to $509 billion. Now, a few days ago, it was way below $400 billion, but everything looks bullish because it's up to $11,503. Ethereum is up. The market looks bullish today. Things are looking good. And all we know is that the market, when it's going up, we should be up to get the cryptocurrency. Now, today I want to introduce to the Powerhouse network. It is a mining company just like Genesis Mining and Hashflare and Big Club Network, and it's a bit different because they to mine Litecoin. So the mining is up, they up to 8%. They have a trading tool, and something interesting about Powerhouse mining is that they have a coin that is coming up to the exchange called Cicero. Cicero is now on them. So it's ICO face, and each coin goes for 1 cent. 1 cent per coin. And even Genesis Mining or Hashflare, you need another option to just open up different streams to make this thing work out for you nicely, because the more streams you have, the better you are and better place you are. If you're in for the affiliate bonus thing, then you are on a plus, because here we have up to 40% to level 3. Not bad. So this is the group. These are the people who are running the show. This is a good program, marketing and better, then how they can actual trading. So what's my take? I think it's a good deal. Just for the sake of having multiple sources of streams of income and for the affiliate sake. But as usual, we trade softly, we invest what you're willing to lose, and then we have a little bit of faith, being optimistic that everything will turn out right for us. So the link is on the description if you want to join. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment if you have a question, and we see what you're doing on the next. Alright, God bless you all.